Hello guys, we are back again. I'm 3 minutes from the first delivery, and to be honest, this time it's a little bit messed up.
1 mile turn right to enter a private road.
Right, the first delivery in 1 mile, as the guy says. Let's have some, guys. Let's have fun. I'm sorry, I should say fun, not some. Looks like it's gonna be a drive among nice countryside. Alright, you should be careful because these are very tight road, and nowadays in this sunny day lots of people are gonna be walking in these roads. So my advice for you, if you are delivering with Amazon or you are driving in this kind of roads, you need to be careful. You need to drive a little bit slower and look at this site. Amazing, huh? Today I'm a little bit tired, but it is not a big deal. It's worth it, totally worth it. It's a nice day, nice countryside. Did I mention that we are delivering around Newry? Newry is very nice city, I like it. Lots of nice landscapes.
In half a mile turn right to enter a private road. Then in 100 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
And as you see, oh, a guy in the front. Just wait, please. Sorry. No, I think you can pass. Thank you. So this is one of the issues here in Northern Ireland, that roads are very tight. You need to be careful because people are driving also, or they are walking, and as you see, the road barely fits one car. I'm speaking like this because my English is not that great, and I want to make sure that you understand me, guys.
Turn right to enter a private road.
Yeah, we have arrived for our first delivery site.
On your left.
I like it. It's sunny, and because of the countryside, it's a bit cold. It's not, I mean, it's a bit chilly,
In
not
100
cold.
feet arrive at the destination on your left.
And we have
Arrive at
arrived.
the destination on your left.
We have arrived, guys. I have a new camera. I'm gonna show you now. It is book folder 57. I should arrange this, but there wasn't much of time. 57. This. The people inside opened the gate for me. Look at their nice house. Oh my god. OMG. It's book folder 57. Let me find it. Hello, doggy. I'm afraid of dogs. But I need to be cool around them, because if you are cool around them, the dogs will be cool with you. Come on, envelope 57. This one. Oh, that's the wrong one. I should arrange this, but I have no time. Sorry guys, you have to see all this mess. Alright, this is 57. That's the right one. Photo required. Photo is required. And as you see, people here. What a nice property. Alright, this is our first delivery done. Let's do this guy here.
Navigation started. Northwest, then in 100 feet turn right. In 100 feet turn right onto Drummondine Hill, C228.
Yeah, gate open for us. This is 2 minutes drive until the next delivery. They are a bit messy, the deliveries today, the locations. So I had to organize them, or I had to pick the destinations manually, not automatically. Why I had to do that? Because they are messy. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but they are not in a good order. So I manually picking them up. And now, as I said before, I am using 0, or let's say 1% fuel, because the car is just pushing itself because of the gravity, and the car is natural now. That's a good way to save some fuel, isn't it? Yeah, I'm very happy today, guys, because of this delivery. Yeah, it is. I think it's a bit too much, but it's not. It's never too much for a good delivery day.
Turn right onto a driveway, then in 150 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
Make sure that you have good car if you want to deliver with Amazon, because as you see right now, I was climbing a bit hill, you know, and then my car is a bit old, and that's why my car is screaming. It cannot climb that high. Right, it cannot climb that high hill. It is Bolibag, it's number 12, and these nice people. Number 12. The good thing that I have a few Bolibags, so I don't have to search that much for Bolibags. And people have
Navigation started. Head north on a driveway.
Oh my God.
150 feet turn left onto Moneymore Road, C228.
in this job you gotta be careful from dogs, guys.
Make a U-turn on Moneymore Road. C228.
You gotta be careful.
Then arrive at the destination on your left.
I have a delivery here. All right. Yeah, if you want to reverse in a hill, you need to use your handbrake. 78, 78, or no. Hello. Very good. Sorry, I'm recording.
Yes, no, that's fine.
No worries. All right.
Thank you.
Gonna reverse in here.
Yeah,
All right.
Navigation started. West on Moneymore Road, C228. Then in 250 feet keep left onto Glen Road, C337.